Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? We at the Escobar South. Yeah. Escobar South. Yeah.
We said where to stop at.
We at the Escobar South, baby. Oh, I ain't got it going. Yes, y'all already know what it is. Because I'm here to say drink. Now I say stop thinking. Stop. Nah. Stop thinking. Stop drinking. Hey. Stop thinking. Start drinking. That's what we get, y'all. Y'all already know it's your girl, just a red. I am representing Highly Unique Radio. We are here live, honey, at the Escobar South with KK, the Beat Honey. How you doing tonight? Cause we turning up. It's a wet contest where we got wet t-shirt, all type of stuff going on. What's going on?
I see. It's a wet t-shirt contest. It's a twerk contest. I'm here with my brother, man. You dig what I'm saying? Happy birthday, Gemini. You know, Big East Side. You feel me? Decatur, Georgia. Act like you know. But listen, man, we East Side up, man. We just out here, man, kicking it.
Yeah.
Family, Highly Unique. I love my family. You feel what I'm saying?
Highly Unique.
Highly Unique, Green, man. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all love Jordan, you feel what I'm saying, man? It's family right here, man. We gonna ride out, man. Let's go.
Let's go. We got South Escobar. Hey, help them up. Help them up and follow. Let them know where to follow you at.
New 106, we going crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? My interview just dropped today. Industry Most Wanted, man. So go ahead on and click that link. You know what I mean? More you that interview. You know what I mean? Get your mind together. You know what I mean? Look. It's fine. It's at the new 106 in Paul ATL. Make sure you follow Status Network as well, man. You do what I'm saying? We lit, man. First and third Saturday. And get ready for the next episode, June the 1st. Get ready. Saturday, 2 p.m. She's 94.5. Yeah, she checking in. Yeah.
You're single.
And I do, yes, my single. Gotta go get it. All that. You know, all platforms.
Y'all already know.
Shout out to Keith. Gotta go get it. What's today? Monday. Yeah. Crazy tonight. Make sure you check that out, man. They're gonna be playing. They gotta go get it. Memorial Day tonight. You know what I'm saying? And we win tonight. Where we at? Escobar.
Yeah, Escobar South. All day. Every day. It's your day, yeah. It's the situation we out here live. Escobar. How do you? Y'all say, we out here live.